ही 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मामा तुझे सलाम, मामा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। जन्म जन्म से तेरा हूँ दीवाना मैं, झूमू नाचू गाऊं तेरे प्यार का तराना मैं। जिन्ना नहीं सोच नहीं दुनिया की दौलत नहीं, बस लूटूंगा तेरे प्यार का खजाना। एक नजर जब तेरी होती है प्यार की, दुनिया तब तो मेरी चमके दमके महके रे। तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा, चांद सी ठंड है प्यार में। वंदे मातरम,
Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always arrive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Mataji.
Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. Let us take a moment to acknowledge the efforts taken by our freedom fighters to free India from Britain's hold. India celebrates this auspicious day with an absolute patriotic spirit. It is the most important day in Indian history, as on this day, we became a free nation and Pakistan was parted away from India. Since its independence, India has, as a democratic country, has achieved many milestones. India has the fourth strongest army in the world. It is a home for people with numerous castes and religions. Every citizen of India is given the right to freedom of speech, work, stay, and follow the religion they wish to. Every festival is celebrated here with equal enthusiasm, although modern India still faces many challenges among its citizens will do wonders for sure. Our responsibility doesn't come to an end by celebrating it today. So many flags are seen in the dumpsters in the torn state. We all should learn to respect our national flag. Freedom is of utmost importance. Hence, we must know how to protect it.
Independence Day is an important day for every Indian, for which now you have your Independence Day speech ready. From this Independence Day speech, let everyone acknowledge the efforts of our martyrs.
We, the management, the staff and students of St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Maujerong, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, are delighted to join the rest of our countrymen and women to celebrate this Platinum Jubilee, or the 75th year of India's independence. Through this simple but profound and meaningful gesture, we wish to tell the world that we sincerely love India. But that's not all. Because India, as any other country, is
Vande Mataram.